2 IKEA trips in 2 days, moving to a new incredible city, settling into my first apartment with my boyfriend and exploring our new home. This has probably been the most exciting time of my life, and I hope you enjoy the first part of my journey. And welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I'm in a completely new setup, and that is because I have moved to Manchester. So if you've seen my previous video on, I think it's called I Got a Job, I'm talking about my placement. So my placement is in Macclesfield, and my boyfriend's just recently finished his masters and has actually landed a job in Manchester. So it's worked out really well, and we have actually moved in together, which is just really exciting. I really didn't think it was going to happen. We both applied for roles all over the country, in London, Leeds, Manchester. I had one that I applied for in Reading. So there was literally, he had one in Cambridge. There's literally, we applied for loads of different roles all over, and it's just worked out that the ones that were best for us were in Manchester area basically. So I'm so happy that we could moved in together. We moved in at the end of July. So we've been here for a week today, and yeah, it's just so exciting. But I thought I'd film a little video just to tell you guys all about it. So we had to, this apartment did come furnished, but we had to get a few extra things. So sort of the drawers behind me, my desk over there, my boyfriend's desk in the main living bit as well. So I will input the clips from IKEA and also us moving here, and I will get back to you after that. Hello everybody, so as you have seen from my previous video, I'm moving to Manchester with my boyfriend. So today we're going to be going to IKEA, getting some things, and yeah, see you there. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching our IKEA trips and the journey up and moving in. We are staying in a very big building in Manchester. It also comes with amenities such as a pool and gym. They've got studios, they've got a rooftop terrace, a tea room, a gallery where you can do work and book out what they call suites as well if you're having friends over. So it's a really crazy place, and we're so lucky that we can be here. And yeah, I'm just the happiest I think I've ever been. It's so amazing here. I just love Manchester itself as well. I've only been a few times, but I just think it's such sort of a good mix between Leeds and London. I find, because I'm not far from London back home where I'm from, so I've been into London quite a few times, but I just never really get that sort of vibe, which I definitely got in Leeds. And then I think Manchester's just sort of an upgrade from Leeds, an even better place to be, and we're in such a good location, so it's been so fun exploring so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching sort of our first few days here. So I will be doing a video of a full apartment tour with all our things in here, so you're sort of getting a sneak peek of the bedroom at the moment, but I will do a proper tour for you guys. Let me know if you've got any questions, and I will be sure to answer them. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!